Oh shit.
Oh,
Can you lock the server down?
Coming right now. Coming right through right now. It just came through right now.
Lock it down. Lock it down. Lock it down. I'm locking it down.
I'm getting it right the fuck now. It just came through. There it comes.
I'm gonna lock the server. Nicholas, I have permission to lock the server down.
Nicholas.
Why is it so quiet? Why is it so quiet? Oh, fuck this.
Hatchback with Jesus Saves written in black spray paint all over the vehicle. If you have any information regarding the abduction, call Caldwell County Sheriff's Office immediately at 828-758-2324 or call 911 or star 47. Again, this is an Amber Alert for a child abduction. This is a North Carolina Amber Alert for a child abduction. The Caldwell County Sheriff's Office is searching for Zoe Grace Teniente. Zoe is a 10-year-old, approximately 4 feet. Jesus Saves, written in black spray paint all over the vehicle. If you have any information regarding the abduction, call Caldwell County Sheriff's Office immediately. The abductor, Jan May Bryant, described shirt with black pants. They were last seen leaving 2969 Playmore Beach Road, Morganton, North Carolina. In an red two-door hatchback with Jesus Saves written in black spray paint all over the vehicle. If you have any information regarding the abduction, call Caldwell County Sheriff's Office immediately at 828 or call 911 or star 47. Again, this is an Amber Alert for a child abduction.
What's the catch? It's expected to premiere here.
It's so. This is a North Carolina Amber Alert for a child abduction. The Caldwell County Sheriff's Office is searching for Zoe Grace Teniente. Zoe is a 10-year-old Hispanic female, approximately 4 foot 10 inches tall, weighing 110 pounds. She has brown hair and brown eyes. Zoe was last seen wearing a pink short-sleeved shirt, black pants, and white shoes. The abductor, Jan May Bryant, is described as a white female, 5 foot 6 inches tall, with brown hair. Last seen wearing glasses and a red shirt with black pants. They were last seen leaving 2969 Playmore Beach Road, Morganton, North Carolina, in an older red two-door hatchback with Jesus Saves written in black spray paint all over the vehicle. If you have any information regarding the abduction, call Caldwell County Sheriff's Office immediately at 828-758-2324 or call 911 or star 47. Again, this is an Amber Alert for a child abduction.
Nothing to